What are we making, Jamesy? What are we making?
Dragons.
Sandcastle. Well done.
Time to move it.
In the bucket. Well done. Come on then. In. There we go. In the bucket. We only need 2 more scoops. We're going to put a shell in the bucket. There we go. There we go. And another shell in the bucket. There we go. Are we going to put some more sand in? In the bucket. Oh, 1 more scoop and we're going to be there. 1 more. Okay. Right, maybe Mummy can help. Throw. We need to
turn it over.
Need to flatten it, don't we?
And then remove the towel.
Go.
Do you want me to help? Do this. Look. Just do this. Make it all nice.
We need to pat it down a bit.
James, do that.
And then we need to turn it around, Jamesy. We need to flip it over. Flip it over.
Right, Mummy, to turn it over and turn it into a castle. Right, let's just make sure it's all nice and...
Ready? Here we go.
1.
Jamesy, help Mummy turn it
1.
around.
Right, do we need to see James?
Jamesy,
James,
look.
look. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Oh, you must have done that.
Knock,
There
knock,
we go.
knock, knock, and then lift it up. That's right, knock, knock, and then lift it up. Whoa!
Oh.
We needed to tap it down a bit more.
I did turn it quick.
Should we do it again?
Ding,
Do it again.
Should we build it back in?